When I went to Kieströmat, we went with a film crew, and actually that's on video, and it was 4 p.m. in December, and it was pitch black. And so we went there in the absolute pitch blackness and went into the local bar. I was with the whole Haim crew. Dov Bear was there, and our cameraman was there, and our driver. And we went into the city is just a bar, and I guess a tire repair shop or an auto repair shop. And we went into the bar, and there was somebody there who got into a big conversation with us in Hungarian, which I don't speak, but he was speaking anyway, and we had an interpreter with us, and the interpreter explained who we were and what we were doing, and they were very excited. They claimed that they remembered my great-grandparents, and that they know who they were, and that, oh yeah, there were Jews in town. They owned this little inn sort of thing, so they took us there and showed it to us, and it's all on video. And it's funny because the video, we're in pitch black and looking at this building in pitch black also, that's supposed to have some meaning to me, but really doesn't. Oh, and then the mayor came out, and we met the mayor, and the mayor was very nice to us. And I called my father on the cell phone, since I don't speak Hungarian again, but he spoke to the mayor and explained to the mayor what we were doing. The whole thing was kind of silly and didn't have much meaning, but I guess that's kind of the point. What are you going back to? You know, it's as though, why did I make us, we were several hours out of our way that I made us go visit this town, and that I didn't really know, I didn't even know who we were going to see. Was it my great-grandfather who was born there, or my grandfather, or my great-uncle? I didn't even know, but somebody was born there, and I'd heard of this town, so we went there, and then it's just all pitch black in some rundown town. You don't really know what you're looking for. So, I don't know, I found it, the meaninglessness of it, I guess, has its own meaning, that, you know, you can't really go back, that you're looking for something but you don't know what you're looking for. I guess that's the meaning of it.